Hey braz, kukuchepe nengane apha ku-inbox yam. Iyakhaba but le nto bendithetha izolo yamagqirha. Ithi ukusetyenziswa umthi into yomAfrika. Mfowethu, you are mistaken. Totally mistaken. Ake siyitsale kancinci. Uyabona the origin yokusetyenziswa kwe-roots herbs umthi is from one of the watchers or fallen angels ezizawa eHermon, on Mount Hermon. Mount Hermon is between Lebanon and Syria. The name of that fallen angel or fallen watcher is called Semjaza or Semyaza. Pronounce Semjaza. Eya introducer root cutting and spells, enchantment, medicine, plants with magical properties, and taught mankind ezazi. Ukhumbule eza fallen angels zawela eMount Hermon or Azazel. Azazel was specializing. He taught humans about weapons. Azazel besingazi nezixhobo thina. Kubekho oBarakijal, one of the fallen angels. Ile yafundisa abantu i-astrology. Ukhumbule these fallen angels mate with humans. Zalala labantu. And kwazali offsprings after that. Iqale phaa mfowethu into yosetyenziswa kwemithi. These are pagan practices. Wena Israel ubuphila noThixo wakho wena. I-idolatry, these weapons, magic spells, these things are things that came from fallen angels. From fallen angels to pagans. We are not the pagans. We are Israel, lo mnyama. uJuda noIsrael mnyama. Ndiyamangala ngosenibiza amaJuda i-white niwabiza i-Jews that were born thousands of years later. Silapha thina for millions of years. Naphika uThixo wenu nathi ngowabelungu. Read phaya scripture apho uJesu egxotha ekhupha amadimoni aphuma yongena ezagwini eGergesenes. The region is called Gergesenes. It's in Galilee, Landau. Phaya kwakupracticewa i-Greco-Roman paganism. These were occults. Yabo. Fethu, and then yabona i-Greeks, what you call Greek gods, are actually offsprings of fallen angels. For instance, Poseidon was a Greek god. Yayilawula all the oceans, all the rivers, yonke into enamanzi. Ile nithi ngumami water ngoku. Indala mfowethu lewe, but ayoka Afri, ayoka antu. Sukuthatha inkolelo ze-pagans uzenza inkolelo zikantu. Inkolelo kantu yayikuphila nomveli inqanga, umdala wentsuku. Uyandiva? How can uthathe indlela ze-pagans uzenze ngathi zindlela zokhokho bethu. It's fallacy, my friend. It's a lie. Your roots, your origin is not from paganism. The idolatry we practice, it's from pagans. Greco-Roman pagans. Not Untu. Not Israel. Israel bephila noThixo. Uyeva. Bonke abantu ufunda ngabo eBhayibhelini were blacks, starting from Abraham. Uyeva. Even science shows you the oldest DNA, the Y chromosome, is the oldest to date. It is traced from a black man. The Eve gene is traced from a black woman. That is Adam and Eve, the beginning of humankind. To date, we don't know the origin, you whites. They have the roots, ye pagans, born. They have no native land. Yabo. In the smile. In the asina in the dibene neyeza thina. We didn't know that. Thina nendlela esakhiwe ngayo. We have a tyrosinase which enhances the secretion of melanin. We age. Melanin has many healthy properties that are advantageous. Good. We age 10 years younger. A central nervous system, for it to be born, a fetus to be born, to be formed in the womb, there has to be triple darkness, concentration of melanin. We get energized by the sun. When we walk on the earth, there are electrolytes. They energize us. We were meant to be healthy on our own. God created us, but the fallen angels came and corrupted us, taught us imiti, taught us the herbs, so that we no longer depend on our maker. We be independent from our maker and stop praying. Instead of praying, pain, instead of being healed by the sun, you use the herb. Those are teachings of the fallen angels, not Nkulunkulu. Your creator created you. Ube dependent on him. You cannot exist ngaphandle kwakhe. But the pagans taught you all these things. There is no native land of origin for the Caucasians. We don't know where they come from, Caucasians. Yes, the soul, yenziwe nguNkulunkulu, but they interfered with human genes. They manipulated the genes to form their own race. Hence, there are disadvantages and they have receding genes. They have poor quality because fallen angels taught humans to intervene with the genes ezidalwe nguNkulunkulu. Knowledge helps mfowethu, uvele uargubishe ngento ongayaziyo. Amagqirha, ubugqirha, ubungoma ayonto yakokwenu usibala. Yeke, ye-pagans.